In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sierra Chart historical data. We'll start by opening the symbol you want to analyze. In Sierra Chart, go to the File menu and choose Find Symbol. This brings up the symbol list provided by your data service. Locate the market you're interested in, such as an index future, a stock, or a currency pair, and select the exact symbol that matches your feed and contract, if applicable. Once you've highlighted the symbol, decide what kind of history you need. If you're reviewing end-of-day performance or long-term trends, click Open Historical Chart to open a daily chart. If you need more granular price action, like minutes, seconds, or tick-level data, click Open Intraday Chart. Daily charts are lighter and load quickly, while intraday charts can be data-heavy but give you much more detail. With the chart open and active, head to the Chart menu and select Chart Settings. This is where you control how much historical data is loaded, which directly affects both performance and the breadth of your analysis. Inside Chart Settings, navigate to the Data Limiting section so you can manage the data window. Under Load Data Limiting Method, choose Number of Days to Load. If you want a simple, rolling window of history, then set Days to Load. Common choices are 90 days for recent context, 180 days for half a year, or 365 days for a full year. Fewer days generally means faster loading and smoother scrolling, while more days give you better long-term perspective at the cost of more system resources. If you need to study a specific period in the past, switch the method to Use Date Range. Enter A from Date to reach back further than your default window, and keep the tow date as needed to cover your entire study period. This is especially helpful when you're researching a past event or building a backtest around a defined time frame. After you apply these settings, Sierra Chart will load and display the requested history. If the chart takes longer to populate on intraday data, that's normal. There's simply more information to process. If performance feels sluggish, reduce the number of days or narrow the date range until you find a balance between speed and detail. A quick tip: what you can load ultimately depends on your data provider's retention and your subscription level. If you can't reach as far back as you expect, try adjusting the range or confirm the available history for that symbol. That's it. Open the symbol, choose daily or intraday, and fine-tune your data window with either a set number of days or a specific date range.